Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be remodeling and redecorating, reconstructing, well not reconstruction, anything. Okay, we're doing my entire room over and this decision was hella impulsive. I decided to just get up and change my whole room around because I've been had the whole bright pink princess way themed room for about like 4 to 5 years, and after a while I'm a person that needs change, so I decided to bring a whole new vibe and aesthetic to my room. In the video you can see that I have like a, what is this called, babe?
A radiator. I
have a radiator in the corner of my room that obviously can't take out. I have 3 closets just straight as a wall in my room, so I can't really change the structure of my room or make it bigger or smaller. I'm kind of just stuck with the structure that I have, and I know that I'm going to be here for a while, so I decided to just give it the illusion that things are bigger and make it feel bigger with more lighter things. So I changed everything around, and in this video you'll be seeing that. I just didn't do a proper intro to this video, so I just decided to sit down and talk to you guys. So we went into IKEA, and then we also just went into Walmart, bought the curtains. We went into 5 and Below but didn't buy anything. Home Depot, I bought the paint and the light bulbs for my vanity. We also went into Home Goods. I bought a bunch of wall decoration. In total, with the vanity included and also just doing my whole room, paint and all that, costed around like a little below 500 or so. This video will be split into 2 parts. Obviously one day where we went shopping, and then we decided to go to my house the next day because it was about too late when we got done shopping, and parking and traffic and all that shit would have been really bad. So there's just 2 parts, and it took us about like 3 days to shop and then do everything. This video is kind of, I believe it will be low quality because I done airdropped the videos to my phone and then transferred it to my laptop because I didn't have a cable that just imported videos straight to my laptop, so the quality dropped, and I am too lazy to re-edit and resend myself a bunch of footage, and I also deleted some of the footage already. This is just the video and the quality that I'm stuck with, but I got a camera now and I got the cord, so things will be under control. In my next video I'll have 1080p, I promise. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, even though you didn't watch it, to know if you liked it, but it's cool.
Give it a thumbs up.
Even though you don't know if you will like it, but you like it, okay? Let's just get into it. No, that's too dark.
This right here?
That's too dark. I don't want it that dark. Is this like a gray, or is it like, it's a shift of like...
That's gray, boy. It says warm gray flannel.
I knew it. Rose quartz. It looks like it has like a sheen of like...
A sheen?
I'm either between the white metal and silver bullet. But then this is the bare kind, and I want the glitten, so we have to see if they do glitten in this color. So we got the goods. We got the goods. We got the goods. Oh god.
Peace up. A-Town.
So at Home Goods we picked up a throw pillow, some a candle, picked up a bed sheet. It's like the same color as this. And we also picked up a bed, like a bed.
Wow, a frame?
A wall decoration for the top of my wall because I got a really big wall that's so empty. I also got like a white comforter. We're at IKEA. Whoop, whoop. So we're getting the bed frame now. This is his bed frame that he has at home. But there is none of this. He literally like cut the whole thing.
I cut all of these off.
And so he just showed me and I'm like, it looks so different from when we're like actually home. Ooh.
And influences Oasis.
Oh, really?
Hey, let's do yoga.
This is the bed frame that I'm looking for, and I could just paint it white. And it's super cheap, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. It's like 50 bucks. I'm so exhausted. We just took everything from the car and brought it inside. But this is my room right now. Oh, it's not even focusing. This is the big wall that I was saying, like, something needs to go here. And then I have very high like ceilings, so we have a lot to paint. The borders, I'm keeping it all white. I gotta take this out. It's not taller. Yeah, it is. I have one Alex drawer, and this is the vanity that I have now. Yeah, this shelf is not gonna be here. So we have a lot to do. Don't mind this because I literally just got done with laundry. I'm just gonna tell you guys where I got everything from. This vanity mirror is from the Vanity Plug on Instagram. Shout out to her for working with me. Super obsessed with it. Shout out to her for sending me that. The gray complements it so good. I have these brush cups. This one is from Home Goods, and I think that was like $6. This one is from IKEA. Yeah, that is what it's called. I got the light bulbs from Home Depot, and this Impressions Vanity has sent me that. The candle is from like a 99-cent store or something like that. The chair that I have is this chair right here, 20 bucks on IKEA. The dressers are from IKEA. This tabletop is from IKEA. This is from Home Goods. Two umbrella lights, and then there's a ring light. Those are from Amazon. The lace floral detailing on my curtains are from Amazon. The gray in the middle is from Walmart. Shout out to my mom for legit hooking me up because I had bought the wrong lace ones, so she had to sew it from the top, which it looks so freaking good. Now my bed frame, as you guys seen, was from IKEA as well. I never thought I would be an IKEA ass bitch, but these two are from Marshall's. They came in a pack for 20, so it was like 10 each pillow. This was $10 at Home Goods. This was also at Home Goods for 50, I believe. And then I also got some sheets that matches like my pop of color, and those were 35 at Home Goods as well. This is from Home Goods. I'm so obsessed with this painting. I feel like I could conquer the world with this painting. This one is from IKEA and it's 35. I'm so sorry for the birds. They're over there talking to each other. This is a motivational like little wall decoration from Marshall's, and it was $7. This one is from Home Goods as well. It was around like $7. This is from Barnes and Nobles. These two books right here is a budgeting book and then a goals book. These two are from Michael's, and this big notebook that I had for a very long time is from Amazon. I also have another Alex drawer, but it's in this closet, and this mirror was purple. It was the one that was in my room before, but I decided to paint it white and it looks so good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right guys, I'm back. Remember me from the intro? Okay, so obviously I'm going to show you guys what I'm giving away. So one lucky winner will be winning this Pixie Skin Treats Vitamin C Juice Cleanser and the Vitamin C Lotion to go with it. We have some Il Makiage products. This one is the Il Makiage and Carly Bybel Lip Liner in a Blaze. And then we have the Carly Bybel Lipstick in Venus. I also have a Buxom Serial Kisser Plumping Lip Stain in Bezel. And then we have a Buxom Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Come Over, which is a brown. We have the LA Colors Eyeliner Pencil. One is in white and the other one is in turquoise. We have a ColourPop Sticks. This is like a cream blush stick. We have two glitters. These are by Violet Voss, and one is in Halo Night. The other one is in Kiki. A Violet Bond glitter pigment. Pixie Eye Reflection Shadow Palette. Another palette, this is the LA Colors Socialite palette. And then we also have a Storm Lashes collaboration with me. All these goodies. So the rule is to spam my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram somewhere over here. I want to see y'all spam and show some love. Also give this video a like. Also comment down below when done. If you don't have Instagram, then please let me know in the comments down below. But one major rule, whether or major, but one rule that you must do is comment down below. That is how I'm generating the giveaway winners. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure your bell notifications is turned on. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below when done. And also spam my Instagram. I love you guys.